Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing the black belt burnout, or just the burnout in general. In life, we get burned out a lot and stuff. And how do we get back into the form of things, right? How do we get our motivation back for, since we're going to be running a school, for a school owner, for an instructor, how can we stay strong and not get burnt out as bad through the years, because we do start doing this for years and decades. And how do we do that? Before we get into this, let me first ask if you guys can give me a thumbs up and a share and maybe a subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's talk about this, all right? Let's talk about the burnout. I got burnt out. I got burnt out quite a bit in my career, martial arts and other jobs I've had. I've gotten burnt out quite early in my careers, and I wouldn't call them careers, they were just pretty much jobs, and I got burnt out in a lot of them because, come to find out, I just didn't enjoy it. It just wasn't something that I could wake up in the morning each day and be like, I am on it. I love this. The people that can do that, like, I praise you guys, because I can't. I've tried for my many years and it just doesn't work for me. But with martial arts, I really truly love martial arts. I love having a school. I love having students. The camaraderie with the parents, the camaraderie with students, different school owners, talking about different training methods, like all of that, it just gives me a brightness in my life that I just can't see myself not doing. And so let me talk about this last burnout I got, because I almost wasn't gonna open a school anymore. I had my last school, I had something go wrong. I won't get too much in the story, but I shut it down, and it was my choice to shut it down. And had a relationship that didn't go very well, and broke up with me, and she just kind of, left me with, kind of floating out in the middle of the ocean. And I regretted shutting my school down. But on the second part of this is I didn't want to get back into martial arts either. She tanked it so bad and made it just so unattractive to me. I didn't want anything to do with martial arts for a lot of years. I was like, nope, not doing that, because it always made me think about her, and I didn't want to do that because it tortured me by thinking about her. It tore me up inside. I was like, I can't do this. I got to heal. And so I took a couple years off, burnt out. I mean, just not even interested in anything martial arts related. And started getting a little bit of this fire kind of going in my, in the basement, as, Stallone likes to say. I still felt like I got something in the basement. There's a little flame, little ember in there that was, sparked. And I started getting a hold of my old instructors, and they gave me some encouraging words. And one word or one sentence that one of my old instructors told me, because I was like, man, because I'm learning all new material. This is a new style for me. I'm a 4th degree, but I have to learn all new stuff. I can't just learn my old stuff again. It was all new material. But the thing is since I know what the martial arts is like, and I know how to throw a front kick. I know how to teach a front kick, a side kick, knife hand strike. All those techniques I already know how to do. It was just, okay, now let me just knock the rust off. But I was having a really hard time, like, getting into the rhythm of working out. I mean, I was fat, I was unhealthy. It's like, God, I don't want to do this. My brain was like, yep, you're done. Like, like, don't even think about it. But in here, it was like, no, I'm doing this. Like, I'm doing it. So one of my masters was like, you know what? You need to enjoy the process again. I was like, enjoy the process again. And she said, yes, just enjoy the process of learning something new. And she said, take your time with it. There's no rush. Take your time, learn it, enjoy it. And that was like a light bulb. From here on out, like that, her voice always is in my head now when I get like stressed out, not wanting to train. That little voice says, just enjoy it. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the martial arts again. Don't take out the bad, leave the bad behind, and just enjoy. I mean, who cares if it takes you, 20 years to learn this? Like, just enjoy the process of learning new material. And at the time I was like, oh man, I don't know if I could do that, but it's good. It was a good lesson for me to learn. And it was, and it works. It was, like I said, like she's in my brain now. And every time I get a little bit tired or don't want to train, that little voice in my head is like, just enjoy it. Just enjoy the process of martial arts again. The learning the new poomsays, learning the new weapon stuff. And it works. So if you get anything out of this video today, and if you're feeling a little burnt out and, it's just kind of, repetition and just kind of not feeling it anymore, I could just say, like, just enjoy the process of this, because there's a lot worse things you could be doing in your life than teaching martial arts. I can guarantee you that. And I've had a few of them jobs that I don't recommend people doing. So that's all I got today, guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about this. If you need like a boost, or if you're burnt out or whatever, yeah, go ahead and comment down below. Till next time, guys, go and train hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.